Hey travelers, I'm Rick Steves, and I hope you're finding some ways to travel in your dreams as we self-isolate. We're being good, we're staying home, we're quarantining, and at the same time, we're bringing a little travel into our life. Hey, we can wash socks in the sink, we can eat slugs drizzled with garlic and call it escargot. Every day at noon, you can have a ceremonial changing of the garbage, marching around the house, out to the trash can. You can serve coffee in small cups and charge your quarantine buddy extra for refills. And where I live, if you go into the toilet, you gotta get by me first. It's gonna cost you $0.25. There's your dish. And you get 6 or 8 squares of toilet paper, a nice paper towel, and if you're polite, I will say merci, danke, and grazie. I hope you're doing well. And if we all take care of our health and get into that self-isolation, we'll get through this crisis. And before we know it, we shall keep on traveling. Take care.